Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be giving you guys the cleaning motivation. Literally, almost every part of my home is a mess. I have been under the weather and not feeling well. So yeah, my house is a mess. So in today's video, I'll be cleaning multiple areas in my home. I didn't get everything done today, but for the most part, I'll show you guys a lot of things that I organized, that I cleaned and detailed. So yeah, if this is your type of thing, make sure you guys stay tuned. So I started in the kitchen because, like I said, like literally every part of the home is a mess. So I had like leftovers and things just sitting out and groceries from the day before. But because I wasn't feeling well, I didn't put them away. So yeah, I started with the kitchen and start putting things back where they need to go. So we had like this little water system that we have, and we just buy the gallons from Walmart, and it's me struggling to refill it. There was some water left over in the old one, and I want to get the used bottle put away and replace it with a new bottle, but I made a mess, so just ignore that. And then here's me washing my hands before I touch the clean dishes, because it was clean dishes in a dishwasher, but I need to take those out. But I always wash my hands before I touch clean dishes. And here I am just putting away the silverware. I know most people have like something super fancy and nice, but with kids and they 9 times out of 10 will throw things away, we just got what we have. So I told you guys that Starbucks is out of my oat milk, so I'm gonna make it at home. I use this blonde instant coffee, sugar, go ahead and pour in my cinnamon, and then the Oatly oat milk. Take my mixer. And I'm pouring in my ice. And then going with the milk. And I like white coffee, so that's why I switched cups. Alright, let's get these dishes cleared up. And now I'm just putting away the dishes in the dishwasher, rinsing things off, try to get as much gunk off the items that we didn't soak overnight. And I will put the cups, bowls, plates, and silverware inside the dishwasher. And then 9 times out of 10, I would just hand wash the pots and pans if we have any. Then here I am, clean off the kitchen table. If things are left on there more than one day, 9 times out of 10 it'll be stuck to the table. So sometimes I have to use a little elbow grease to get some of the gunk off the table. And I'm just using some, I think it's the Target brand, if I'm not mistaken, just all-purpose cleaner to clean the table off. even though we have like multiple type of vacuum cleaners, I don't know, just something about sweeping, I don't know, certainly it's like kind of therapeutic to me. I know it sounds odd, but I just rather sweep up. I feel like I get more crumbs that way, or get into the crevices that sometimes the sweeper can't get. So yeah. So now I'm putting away the fruit finally that was sitting on the stove. Getting rid of old fruit that has maybe starting to get a little old and turn, and then just clean up a little leaves or anything that was left over. I plan on juicing, that's why there's so much fruit in there besides the apples. The kids does love apples, but yeah, just putting away. Then here I am cleaning that, wiping down the stove with the same cleaner that I used on the table. Like I said, it was an all-purpose cleaner. Then I finally started the dishwasher. I think I forgot to start it. So after loading the dishwasher, I finally rinsed out the last few dishes that wouldn't fit, and then cleaned out the sink so I can get ready to start making dishwater to wash the pots and pans that I had left over. Now this is our beverage cooler that we had just bought, I believe the weekend before this video was filmed. And I was struggling trying to get the little things to hold the shelving up. I could not get that out to save my life. So I think I just ended up putting the shelf back and was like, forget it. Just forget it. So yeah, I just decided to just organize it. So I just got out all the little old and crusty and outdated things out the fridge, and then replaced, and then I just filled up the kids' juices that we had and stopped, and yeah. So here's the finished product of me restocking our cooler, and everything's nice and tidy and cleaned out. And then here's my coffee area, my coffee bar, if you will. So yeah, And then I'm just showing you guys a clip of me, the kitchen all tidied up after washing all the dishes. And then lighting the candle, because your house got to smell good afterwards. Now, I really should be embarrassed showing this clip, but like I said, I haven't been really feeling well, so I let the kids go a little ruckus. And yeah, and that's the finished product of it. So cleaning up our upstairs loft area. It's pretty much like our TV area, and the kids kind of took over. So yeah, I'm just cleaning and putting things back where they belong, fixing the cushions and getting everything off the floor. Now we move on to the master bedroom. We still waiting on some more furniture pieces, like the actual bed and I believe a dresser, which I think now we have. But actually, now that we have the dresser, I think I'm gonna give it to my daughter. But anyways, so yeah, tighten up our master bedroom. It wasn't the day I was gonna wash sheets, so I just made up the bed and vacuum. So if you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate you guys so much. I believe my camera actually was full, so I believe it cuts off. But I really appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you like this type of content, and like and comment down below what other videos you would like for me to make for you guys. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.